Triumph Stag 3-litre V8 from a 1974 car. Every last nut and bolt on this engine was completely changed. It was a brand new engine, and then we put it on a pallet, sent it to the customer, and only for this to happen. Looks like it was booted off the back of the truck. Cylinder heads, irreplaceable, broken to bits. The camshafts are bent. Chains are pushed right back. Everything on it is completely destroyed. Both cylinder heads, look, you can see inside here. Here's the timing chains. Everything is wrecked. Goodness knows what's dropped down into the sump as well. The distributor in pieces. Several pieces at that. Just as we thought it was just the engine side, you come to the back and they've even managed to break the gearbox. So the gear selector cover is no more. All your gearbox mounting broken away. Your clutch actuator bent double and pushed right underneath. Absolutely everything on this engine has had an absolute battering, thanks to the transport company. Three pieces. Unbelievable. What an absolute mess.